This presentation considers the use of the vernier instrument with a pH probe for Chem 1412 Laboratory 7 pH of acid solutions. This laboratory will require a vernier LabQuest instrument, a pH probe for the LabQuest, a power supply for the LabQuest, 4 medium-sized test tubes, a test tube holder, a ring stand with a clamp, safety glasses for each team member, proper clothing and footwear for each team member. The LabQuest should be set up with the probe plugged into one of the rear ports and the power supply plugged in and working. The pH probe should be in its storage bottle and the glass tip should be submerged in the storage solution. If this is not the case, please inform a TA. If this is the case, the probe should give a stable reading between 3 and 5. Place 5 milliliters of each acid solution listed in Table 1 into a clean, dry, labeled test tube. For each measurement, the pH probe should be removed from its storage bottle, its glass bulb rinsed with deionized water, excess water gently removed by lightly touching the bulb to a clean, dry paper towel, and the probe placed into the solution to be measured. Keep the storage bottle upright and do not spill or pour out the storage solution. Place no more than 5 milliliters of each solution into the test tube. Although it's difficult to see here, the red line marks the solution height with the probe placed into the solution. It is important not to overflow the test tube with too much solution or fail to submerge the glass bulb with too little solution. Each different solution in this lab should provide a different pH reading. The pH reading will change when the probe is placed into each solution. The rate of this change will slow to nearly stopped, but will unlikely stop completely. When the least significant figure changes at a rate of every 5 to 10 seconds, record the value and move on. Alternately, if the least significant figure is bouncing between two values, record one of those and move on. When making several measurements in rapid succession, simply rinse and dry the probe as before. When finished or stopping to prepare more solutions, rinse, dry, and place the probe into the storage solution bottle with the cap tightened. The same probe handling instructions should be followed for each part of the procedure.